Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Pam and I do lots of DIYs and random videos. Today, I'm just basically showing you everything I made in 2020, be it upcycles, be it sewing from scratch. Yes, my year has not officially started. For me, January is just a bonus month. My face is really acting up and I have a really bad cold and my eyes, my goodness, I don't know. Yes, so I'm just basically showing you that. Leave a like, a comment, let me know which is your best outfit. And disclaimer, I made most of the clothes when we were still in quarantine, so I had added a bit of weight. Now I have lost all the weight, so some of the clothes fit loosely. Yes, and also my tripod is broken, so if you see the video is kind of crooked, don't mind. And also, what else did I want to say? Yeah, let me know which is your favorite outfit, because I'm just teaching myself how to sew. I've never gone to a school to learn how to sew. I'm just adding 1+1 and just teaching myself. So be kind and just leave a like and tell me which one is your best thing I made, or best piece. Yes, so let's do it.